Alright, so for progress monitoring, I plan to progress monitor the students daily through a couple formative ways and then one summative assessment. In lesson one, when completing the graphic organizer, the students will hand that in at the end of class. This will allow me to quickly review to see if the students understand the concept. In the second lesson, I will assess their understanding of the passage when I call out students and discussing the post-it pictures that they drew to see if they are comprehending the story. The third lesson, the students will be also assessed on how they discuss and participate in small group activities. And part of that lesson, students will write 2 to 3 answers about the main ideas or supporting details. So I'll have them hand those in as well as an exit ticket going out the door. Finally, the final summative assessment is the 5 questions about the story, contents of a dead man's pocket. And finally, students will check their grades almost daily online in the Strategies classroom. So I will post these grades so we can display the data on how they're doing and getting their work done. I will implement a grade check on the lesson day 2